Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 11 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn Sukoon or Jazm. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is sukoon or jazm in an Arabic accent. What is sakin or silent letter in an Arabic accent? What is mutaharrik letter in an Arabic accent? And how do we pronounce the sakin letter in an Arabic accent? What is sukoon or jazm in an Arabic accent? Viewers, this sign is called sukoon or jazm. This sign is called sukoon sign or jazm sign in an Arabic accent. What is sakin or silent letter in an Arabic accent? A letter which has a sukoon sign or jazm sign on it is called sakin letter or silent letter. Any letter in an Arabic accent, any letter which has this jazm sign or sukoon sign, that letter is called sakin letter or silent letter, and this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter. What is mutaharrik letter in an Arabic accent? Viewers, any letter which has any harkat, zabar or zer or pesh on it or below it, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. In an Arabic accent, any letter which has zabar or zer or pesh on it or below it, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Zabar and pesh placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas zer is placed below the letter. Zabar, zer and pesh are called harakat in an Arabic accent. Zabar, zer and pesh are called harakat in an Arabic accent. How do we pronounce the sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent? Viewers, the sakin letter or silent letter is read with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. In an Arabic accent, the silent letter or sakin letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. This is the example of sakin letter with the mutaharrik letter. Here za is sakin letter because it has jazm sign on it, and hamza is mutaharrik because hamza has zabar, zer and pesh. Any letter which has zabar or zer or pesh, that letter is called mutaharrik letter. Sakin letter or silent letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. How we pronounce? Let's learn. Hamza, za, zabar, az. Hamza, za, zir, is. Hamza, za, pesh, uz. Az, is, uz. Hamza, za, zabar, az. Hamza, za, zir, is. Hamza, za, pesh, uz. Az, is, uz. This is the method of pronunciation of sakin letter or silent letter in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly like this video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.